Okay, I got it all up, and there's the part where I have to change, right in here. And I'm probably gonna have to torch it, use some heat on it, and it should turn right out, hopefully. These are meant to stop the lift from turning. So I got the weight on there, plus I got some weight on here, so that prevents when I'm trying to torque the fitting to open it, the piston doesn't turn while I'm torquing. So that's the reason for this. So now the lift won't twist. Like I said, it's about 12 feet down there. You fall, you're dead. So you got to be real careful around here. Hope I don't drop my phone. All right, so that's that. And looking pretty good. I did have to take the chain off. I forgot all about the chain, but that's no big deal. I had to take the chain off. That connects to here. So basically, this, I could have gotten a little more money, but this is a regular customer, so I'm giving a bit of a break. The hose alone is like close to 400 bucks, and labor's 500 and change. So I'll make something on the hose, and plus I'll make a profit on the labor, of course. But got to see what this is gonna take to